runs like a Swiss watch, as they always say, but one of the best 426 Hemi motors you'll ever hear or run. It's just beautifully built, as you'll see in the documents. Body lines are as nice as you'll ever find anywhere. You can let this car sit for a half an hour. It just runs so cool. You can drive all day in this car, 85 degrees, and it runs extremely cool. Wonderful running motor. There's over 1,500 hours in the build. Solid lifters, sound beautiful. Dash pad's like brand new. Just about everything on this car is like brand new. The man that had this rotisserie restored was a billionaire from Texas. He had new old stock, brand new from Mopar, right in the wrappers. He collected just about everything. Rubber bumpers, shaker hoods. He had numerous 426 Hemis that he collected over the years. He selected this motor for this car to kind of coordinate with the VIN number. All date coded. You'll see it all in the documentation. rim blow horn is literally like new old stock out of the box. The dash is immaculate. I'm gonna go around quick and just put the top up for the photographs. Couple little wrinkles. It's brand new, literally. This was the original leather upholstery, literally from 1970. It was just so nice on a low mileage original that they decided to just keep it. Like I say, the dash is like brand new, steering wheels. He just had everything, new old stock right out of the wrappers. Thank you very much for looking.